welcome to my channel again. In this video we are going to study about photosynthesis. So photo means here the photo means light. Photo means light, and synthesis means to make. Synthesis means to make. So photo means light, synthesis means to make. The photosynthesis means the plants make their own food. Plants prepare their own food using sunlight is called photosynthesis. Firstly, the photosynthesis takes place on the leaf and other greenery parts of the plant. So the photosynthesis takes place in the leaves and other greenery parts of the plants, but the maximum photosynthesis takes place on the leaf because the leaf contains maximum number of chloroplast and the chloroplast contain chlorophyll. Therefore, the maximum photosynthesis takes place on the leaf. Firstly, the raw materials for the photosynthesis is carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere, and this carbon dioxide is diffused into the leaf through a small opening structure called stomata. So stomata is the small apertures, small opening on the surface of the leaf is called stomata. So from the stomata, the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is diffused into the leaf. So another reactants for the photosynthesis is water. So water is absorbed by plant from soil, and so the plants absorb water and minerals from the soil, and this water is transported up to the upper parts of the plants by xylem, and when the water reaches to the plants, the carbon dioxide in water get together in the presence of sunlight. Carbon dioxide in water get combined in the presence of sunlight and produce oxygen. Firstly, oxygen. Now this oxygen is released into the atmosphere, which is very much important for the all the living organism. And another important products formed during photosynthesis is glucose. During the photosynthesis, the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere diffuses into the leaf through stomata, and water from the soil is absorbed by root and transferred to the aerial parts of the plants. So 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water is converted into sugar, which is glucose, and 6 molecules of oxygen in the presence of sunlight. This is known as photosynthesis. So the photosynthesis takes place inside the chloroplast. We have already studied about the phases of photosynthesis. We have two phases of photosynthesis. They are light dependent and light independent reaction, and the link for the video is given in the descriptions. Please go and watch. So the light reaction take place inside the thylakoid. So light reaction takes place inside the thylakoid because the thylakoid contains chlorophyll, and the dark reaction take place in the stroma, and the dark reaction take place in the stroma. So during the light reaction, the sunlight splits the water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, and this oxygen is released into the atmosphere, and at the same time the ATP and NADPH is also formed. Now this ATP is energy. This ATP and NADPH is used by drag reaction. So drag reaction use ATP and NADPH during the conversion of carbon dioxide into glucose. Again, the this ATP is reduced to ADP and NADPH is reduced to NADP. So this reduced energy is again re-entered into the light reaction, and again during the light reactions they get re-energized, and again and they get into the dark reactions and the cycle continues. So so तब दिन हम चाहिए, and please do subscribe to my channel for more videos, and thank you, and see you in the next video.